Ever feel like maintaining your pool is more of a chemistry class than a relaxing weekend chore? That's exactly the frustration Simple Scoop claims to solve, positioning itself as an all-in-one pool care solution that replaces multiple traditional chemicals with just one weekly scoop. According to the label, it functions as an oxidizer, algicide, clarifier, and more, all while claiming to be safe for kids and pets and helping reduce chlorine use. On paper, it sounds like a dream come true for pool owners: less clutter, fewer steps, and sparkling clear water with minimal effort. Some users do report genuinely positive results, saying their water looked cleaner and stayed balanced longer. Plus, their customer service seems responsive, even when issues like delivery delays come up. They've been helpful and professional, which adds a layer of trust. However, there are a few things that might make you pause. For starters, it's not available on major platforms like Amazon, which can raise some trust concerns for people who rely on verified reviews. Also, while it reduces chlorine use, it doesn't eliminate it. You still need to use chlorine separately for full sanitation. And there's copper in the formula, which has the potential to stain pool surfaces over time, especially in certain conditions. So, while the idea behind Simple Scoop is clever and the convenience factor is appealing, it might not be the magic bullet it markets itself as. It works for some, but not for everyone, and it's definitely not a full chemical replacement. If you're considering it, go in with realistic expectations. It could simplify your pool routine, but don't throw out your test strips and chlorine just yet.